everyone, it's Sandhya and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all guys my Myntra tops haul. So I have a lot of tops from Myntra and I'm going to show it to you all guys one by one. So without wasting any more time, let's just begin with this video. Alright, so the first top that I have with me is this one from Harpa. ये येलो कलर का बेसिक टॉप है. This one is like a ruched top. As you can see, यहाँ पर पूरे टॉप में आपको ruched detailing मिलती है. And also it has like these balloon kind of georgette sleeves. And ये काफी ज़्यादा like square neck का look देता है, which is so in trend right now. And I really like कि इसका fabric जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा cheap नहीं है. Though I got this one at a very affordable price. And also one thing more, like अगर आप पास से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे आपको पूरे में floral print मिलता है, which is very summer friendly and यह बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty and lightweight top है. You can easily wear this in summer. So मेरा size इस top में L था and I will mention size and prices with links in the description box, so do check that out. Alright, so the second top is this one right here. This one is from the brand Tokyo Talkies, and as you all guys know, Tokyo Talkies के tops कितने ज़्यादा trendy and affordable होते हैं. So I got this one in this very pretty mint green sort of color. I really like इसका color, and ये काफ़ी सारे different colors में available था, like black and maroon. इस color में मेरे wardrobe में बहुत ही कम tops थे, so I got this one in this color. And यहाँ पर आपको neck में ऐसे बहुत ही pretty सा cutout मिलता है, which looks very beautiful. And ये full sleeves का top है. इसका जो material है वो ribbed kind of material है, and इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. Again, this is very comfortable to wear in summers. And again, I got this one in size large. And yeah guys, this is how the top looks. Moving towards the third top which I'm wearing right now. So this one is from the brand Plus S. Now Plus or Plus S, whatever it is. So इस brand के tops जो हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, especially if you are a curvy girl or if you are more on the heavier side. So ये brand के tops बहुत ही ज़्यादा unique हैं and बहुत ही ज़्यादा like trendy tops हैं. And I got this one in this very beautiful floral print. And summers में floral print बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं. And this one is like full sleeves, यहाँ पर bell sleeves मिलता है. And इसका जो material है वो बहुत ही good quality का georgette है, जिसमें बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं लगती है. And इसमें आपको ऐसे deep square kind of neck मिलता है. And yeah guys, this one is like sort of a peplum top. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I got this top in the size small, क्योंकि होता क्या है कि Plus S पे जो है वो sizes थोड़े से vary करते हैं. So please एक बार size chart check करना before purchasing anything. So I got this one in the size small and this is how it looks. Alright, so next top देखने से पहले I want to share this beautiful kurti with you all guys. So yeah, this one is again from Myntra and this one is actually gifted to me by one of my friends. And this one is in a very beautiful pink color. So मेरे पास एक ही कुर्ती है, so I thought चलो मैं इसे पहले दिखा देती हूँ, and then we will see other two tops which are my favorite. So this is what the kurti looks like. So it has this very beautiful neck. मैं इसे in fact एक बार wash भी कर चुकी हूँ and still इसका color वैसे का वैसा है. So this is what the neck of the kurti looks like. This one is like 3x4 sleeves and इसकी length भी बहुत ही अच्छी है. इसकी quality again बहुत ही good quality का cotton है and summers में ये बहुत ही comfortable रहती है wear करने में. This one is in the size medium and इस पे overall ऐसे floral print दिया हुआ है, which I absolutely adore. Alright, so moving towards the next top, which I said as earlier ये मेरा favorite है. So this one is this right here. Okay, so if you guys have watched my birthday vlog, आपने इस top को देखा होगा. So I got this one for my birthday and this is what the top looks like. So basically it is a crop top and इसका material जो है वो थोड़ा सा chiffon georgette kind of material है and it has this very beautiful floral kind of print, like a pink, बहुत ही dark pink color है and इस पे white color का it's not like polka dot but it's something like floral printed. And again this one is in square neck and again यहाँ पर भी थोड़ा सा as you can see यहाँ पर भी थोड़ी सी ruche type का चीज दिया हुआ है. And also you get a zipper in the side which makes it look very beautiful. इसकी fitting वगैरह बहुत ही अच्छी आती है. I got this one in the size medium and this one is from the brand Street 9 and इसकी sleeve जो है वो full balloon sleeves है and I really like this top. ये बहुत ही beautiful लगता है. So yeah guys, this is how the top looks like. Right, so moving towards the last top, जिसे मैंने अभी 2 दिन पहले रिसीव किया है, is this one right here. So this one is from the brand Plus again. Okay, so this one is again from the brand Plus, and as you can see मैंने अभी तक इसका टैग भी नहीं निकाला है. So this one is in the trendy brown color. So brown color अभी इतना ज़्यादा trend है. I really wanted to get something in brown, so I got this very cute crop top. This one is again in ribbed material, and trust me, इसका जो ribbed material है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft and बहुत ही comfortable है, especially to wear in summers. तो इसका जो neck है, this is kind of like high neck, like not high neck but yeah, like इसका neck जो है वो टी-शर्ट के neck की तरह आता है, एंड इसकी like ये शॉर्ट स्लीव्स है, एंड यहाँ पर आपको साइड में यहाँ पे ऐसे स्ट्रिंग्स मिलते हैं जिसको अगर आप पुल करोगे तो आपका टॉप जो है वो थोड़ा और क्रॉप हो जाएगा, लाइक साइड से सिंच हो जाएगा, एंड ये आपको दोनों साइड पे ऐसे ही मिलता है. एंड या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक. बहुत ही बेसिक है, आप इसको बहुत ही डिफरेंट वेज में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. आई गॉट दिस वन इन द साइज लार्ज, एंड दिस is how it looks. So yeah guys, these are all the tops that I got from Myntra. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I really hope ये वीडियो आपके लिए helpful रही होगी. Do let me know in the comment section आपको और क्या क्या वीडियोस देखनी है. I would love to make it for you all guys. And with that said, I'm going to end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.